And the last part with the last 6 packs. Gotta be honest, the pulls so far weren't that cool. I got some nice cards that I wanted, but apart from Petaldramon and Ancient Troymon, there wasn't really a most want thing so far. Volkmon, Ferrismon, Easmon, Dragomon, Ginkakumon, Parabolic Junk, Motokibetamon, Flamemon, Kiaramon, Junkmon himself, another Isian Joe, and Taitamon. Kinkakumon, Forbidden Trident, Judgment of the Blade, Reinforcing Memory Boost, Glaive Memory Boost, Gigadramon, Tapiamon, Gabumon, another Impmon, Pinamon, another Manticoremon. Oh. I think that's a parallel art. Where is the other Agumon? Come on. Oh yeah, actually that's a parallel art, and it's pretty. Okay. I think that's also the first really special card from this pull. Dragomon, Bakumon, Balukimon, Deputymon, Pangeamon, Ginkakumon, Demimeramon. They are so cute here. Blasted Disaster, Volcanomon, another Tai, Jesmon. Well, you only have to complain, I guess. He's so broken in Digimon Cyber Sleuth. Okay, 3 more chances for Bellstarmon. And we got him, Mammothmon, Judgment of the Blade, Tapiamon, Toyagumon, Boogimon, Acid Injection, Kiaramon, Junkmon, another Majiramon, and Red Rima. Phew. Only 2 more. Forbidden Trident, Megadramon, Tinkermon, Pangeamon, Deltamon, Tropical Venom, Skull Mammothmon. Is it killing Skullgreymon here? I think so. Ginkakumon Promote, Wizardmon, Oder it's Baby Tailmon, Flamemon. I think that's the third tie. And Manticoremon. Ooh, the last pack. Glaive Memory Boost, Parabolic Junk, Bauhackmon, Shoutmon, Mistimon, Chikurimon, Goblimon, Tropiamon, another Wizardmon, and Agumon, Ogremon, Oakmon, Antmon. Well, I mean, I got some of my favorite cards from this set, but yeah, it could have been better. But it's still a really nice set, and I really love the designs. And I'm pretty sure that the cards got prettier, because I don't remember that rare cards were this sparkly overall in the other sets that I got so far. So that's cool. See you next time.